Hello everyone, today, this video will introduce the slitting blade of KINGREAL steel coil slitting machine. As one of the core equipment of coil slitting machine, blade can directly determine the quality and accuracy of different coil slitting out. KINGREAL as one of the professional coil processing equipment manufacturers, can provide high quality slitting machine equipment. Among them, the quality control and selection of the slitter blade is very critical work. KINGREAL will be introduced from the following three aspects. 1. DC53 mold steel-made slitting blades. Coil slitter equipment need to slit a variety of materials. There are more general aluminum, galvanized steel, etc., but also thicker stainless steel coils and so on. In order to adapt different materials to achieve high-quality slitting effect, KINGREAL in the blade material selection of DC53 mold steel, hard material quality is very durable. 2. Precision manufacturing. After the blade is precision processed by CNC, the edge is very smooth and sharp, and the edge of the cut coil is smooth, and has no rough burrs. 3. Iron inside rubber spacers. The soft rubber material will not wear the surface of the coil, and can maintain the smoothness of the surface of the coil. It is light in weight and convenient for workers to use. This is the introduction to the advantages of the slitting blade of coil slitting machine. Thank you for watching.
Welcome to subscribe KINGREAL Machinery.